With property prices hitting new high, is it still possible for you to buy a spacious 3-bedder for your family without bursting your budget? Hi, my name is QingJie from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division, and today I'd like to introduce to you a ground floor 3-bed 3-bath unit that's freehold status, come with a generous 1,582 square feet, and most importantly, attractive price tag of less than 1,300 per square feet. Welcome to Seletaris. Completed in 2001, 328 units, Seletaris is located along Sembawang Road, minutes drive away from Sembawang and Canberra MRT. 7 primary schools within 2 kilometers, full condo facilities which includes a shuttle bus service that runs daily between Sembawang Shopping Centre, Chong Pang Market and North Point City at Yishun MRT. As we enter the main door, we are greeted with the entrance foyer, a necessary buffer between your home and the outside world. There's plenty of cabinetry area for your shoes and also provides for privacy and soundproofing whenever you're hosting. This has got to be my favorite part of this home, the spacious living and dining area that has a very high ceiling. This brings in so much natural ventilation and light into this home. Everything in this house is generously sized, including the kitchen. You can have a full stretch of cabinets, plenty of preparation space, and behind the kitchen we have a storage yard, helper's room, and helper's bath. You may even explore removing this wall to make it an open concept kitchen to make this place even bigger and even brighter. Moving on to the bedrooms, they are neatly tucked away from the hall. Both common room fits a queen bed and a work desk with ample space for movement. As you step into the master bedroom, you'll be greeted with a walk-in wardrobe complete with a full-height mirror. The main bedroom area will comfortably fit a king-size bed with 2 side tables, with a dressing table and even a work desk. The outdoor patio provides for a lovely outdoor area within your home. A great space for children, pets, fitness, plants, storage, you name it. Size, spacious interior, high ceiling, freehold status, nearby schools, connected to MRT station. This could all be yours at less than $2 million. My name is QingJie from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Give me a call at 9456 7211 to view this property today. Thank you for watching. See you soon.